Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to connect LM Studio with VS Code using the MCP server. Run local models here in VS Code using this extension. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to visualstudio.com and download VS Code from here. And after that, you can get this file. Okay, let's install VS Code. Accept, next. Create desktop icon. Install. Now I'll take this one. And let's go install LM Studio. You can install it from this website and click this download button. Okay, let's close this and let's install LM Studio. I agree. Anyone? Next. Yes. Agree. Install. Okay, now I'll take this one, load this, and remove those. And let's go here to LM Studio. Get started. Okay, press the skip button. Turn on developer mode. Yes. Continue to LM Studio. Now, I want to go here and download this model. Okay, download. Let's start downloading those models. Okay, the downloading is completed. Okay, let's load our model. You can click right here or you can go here and click here. Okay, it started loading. As you can see, let's close this. Okay, start loading. Let's test it. For example, hi. Okay, as you can see, it works. Now, how to connect LM Studio local models with VS Code? Okay, make sure it's open it. Now let's go here, local server. Start use is stupid. Make sure it's enabled. Fine. And now let's move here to VS Code. Let's open folder. For example, I want to go here, desktop, and create new folder. And select folder. And now let's sign in here. Trust folder. Right. We'll continue with Google. Okay, continue with Google. Choose your Google account. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, it's connected successfully. The next thing I want to do to go here to extension and install this extension. Call it continue. Hit install. It starts installing right now. Okay, once it's installed, the icon disappears here. Click here. Make sure you make it like this. After that, go here. Add chat model. Provider, choose LM Studio. Model, make it auto detect and hit connect. Okay, fine. Close the first one and second one. As you can see, my Gemma 4 is detected automatically. Okay, as you can see, this is Gemma model. This is how to connect VS Code with LM Studio local models. Okay, let's just locally, let's close the internet. For example, let's say Tell me about the World Cup 2026. Let's hit enter. As you can see, start thinking. There is no internet. Okay, it gives me all the data about the World Cup 2026. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.